Hi, my name is Simon Bell, S-I-M-O-N-B-E-L-L. I'm the Executive Director of Focus on Nature, a children's charity based here in Guelph. We believe that children need to spend more time outdoors, connected, finding connections to nature, and we use photography to do that. And we teach them how to make good compositions, how to think of themselves as photo artists, and we finish each workshop at schools with a slideshow of everybody's best shots from the day. We also run camps for kids in the summer, and in order to fund the whole program, we throw a garden party once a year. This is our 4th annual garden party for Focus on Nature. Every year it seems to get bigger and bigger with more guests arriving. This year it's at Frank Valeriot's home, our former Member of Parliament for Guelph, who's kindly opened his house for tours and his garden for people to relax and enjoy the day. We have exhibits of the children's latest nature photography, plus silent auction prizes, plus raffle prizes, all kinds of things going on, plus food and drinks for everybody. We look forward to next year's party and hope you'll be there.